Anna and the Talking Owl. In a quiet village surrounded by a vast forest, there lived a curious little girl named Anna. She loved exploring the woods, collecting flowers, and listening to the chirping birds. But what she loved most was the mysterious old oak tree at the heart of the forest. One summer evening, while wandering under the golden glow of the setting sun, Anna heard a soft, melodic voice coming from the oak tree. "Who's there?" she asked, her voice trembling slightly. To her surprise, an elegant owl with shimmering silver feathers emerged from the hollow of the tree. Its eyes glowed like amber. "Greetings, Anna," the owl said in a deep, calming voice. "I am Orin, the guardian owl of this forest." Anna gasped. "You can talk." "Yes," Orin replied with a chuckle. "And I've been watching you for years. You have a kind heart and a curious mind, qualities rare and precious. That's why I need your help." Anna leaned closer. "Help? With what?" Orin explained that the forest was losing its magic. "There's an ancient stone hidden in these woods," he said. "It keeps the balance between nature and magic. But someone has disturbed it, and now the forest is in danger." Without hesitation, Anna agreed to help. "Tell me where to go, Orin," she said, her green eyes sparkling with determination. Orin flew ahead, guiding Anna through twisting trails and sparkling streams. Along the way, she faced challenges: a dark cave guarded by fluttering bats, a raging river with slippery stones, and a maze of towering trees that seemed to move. But Anna's courage never wavered. Finally, they reached the ancient stone. It was glowing faintly, but cracks marred its surface. "Place your hand on it," Orin instructed. "Your kind heart can restore its magic." Anna hesitated for a moment, then touched the stone. A warm light enveloped her, and she felt the energy of the forest flowing through her. Slowly, the cracks healed, and the stone began to shine brightly. The forest came alive with color and song. Flowers bloomed, streams sparkled, and the trees seemed to dance in the breeze. Orin looked at Anna with pride. "You've saved our home, Anna. Your bravery and kindness have restored the magic." Anna smiled. "I'm glad I could help. But will I see you again?" Orin spread his wings. "Whenever you need guidance, just look to the stars. I'll always be watching." From that day on, Anna visited the old oak tree often, hoping for another chat with her magical friend. And every time she looked up at the night sky, she saw a shooting star, a sign that Orin was still with her. Moral: kindness and courage can restore balance and bring magic to the world around you.